How would you like to create a very lucrative residual income online from home and save hundreds, even thousands of dollars per year on all of your monthly bills, all starting for as low as the cost of one pizza delivered right to your door? Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, do me a big favor and on your way and hit the subscribe button down below and tap the bell icon so this way you can be notified of all future videos on this channel and of course in this training series right here. And speaking of which, starting today, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be starting a brand new training series. It's going to walk you through step by step, day by day, exactly how to create a full-time residual income from home. So if this is something that you've always been looking to do, then this is pretty much going to show you exactly what I do to do just that. So the benefit with this entire series is you have access to this completely for free right here on this channel, and you could follow pretty much in my footsteps exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis to of course create the type of results that you might be looking for, right? So of course show you some results in this video coming up, but basically what we will be doing with this series is we're going to be leveraging a business that allows you to earn monthly residual income online, as well as also helps you save money on pretty much all of your monthly bills. So I'll talk a little bit about that coming up as well. One thing that I will mention real quick before we of course dive in is if you want to, one thing that you also can do is if you see any option to save this playlist to your device. So I know if you're watching this on like desktop, you could press Control D or Command D and you could just bookmark this page right here. Otherwise, you could just hit the like plus button and that will save this playlist to your YouTube account, and you could very easily just come back to these videos any point. So that's just one little helpful tip I thought I'd share right there. But what you want to do real quick is when you visit the first link down below, that will take you over to this page that says, can you copy and paste, right? And so to get access, to learn more about, about what this is all about, all you have to do is simply just enter your email right here. And when you click on the button, it'll take you over to the video that will explain more about what this business is, how it all works, and this shows you how to earn up to $100 per day or more, simply working as little as 1 hour per day, right? So this right here goes over all the benefits right there. And just a quick side note, when you watch this video, you might see a familiar face, hint, hint. So yeah, feel free to check that out at any point. Otherwise, I'm going to show you some results in terms of what is possible. And then of course, I'll explain more about pretty much what you're getting and as well as some really cool bonuses that you'll have when you of course decide to take action today, right? So let's go ahead and let's dive right in, right? So here we have a member by the name of Brogan who got a payment of $296.50 right here, which is pretty cool. We have Jason Perez, $133.90, which is pretty phenomenal. We have Kirsty, got a payment of, well, actually within that particular week had already made over $1,000, so pretty great right there. We have William, got a payment of $124. We have Jason Perez again, here with $104.85. And we have another member, we have Kirsty here, who earned over $2,000 within a particular week, $2,661 paid out within that particular week, which is pretty cool, right? So as you can see, right, the list goes on. We have Kump earned over $4,000 within one particular week. Here we have Clarissa, who got our very first sale shortly after joining this, which is a $50 commission. So pretty cool right here. And the benefit is this is monthly residual income. And also what's really great about this is working not just for people who've been in this for a while, but this is working for a lot of people who are completely brand new, which is really great. So if you're someone who's brand new, if you are, let's say, non-technical, if you aren't good when it comes to, if you hate selling, and if you want something that is very newbie friendly that you can simply plug into, this is working for a lot of people who are brand new. And as you can see, there's tons of more results that I could show right here, but I think you pretty much get the idea. Now, one other thing that I want to mention right here is not only can this help you earn residual income online, but this also helps you save money on pretty much all of your monthly bills. So I'm talking anywhere from a couple hundred to thousands per year on pretty much any sort of expenses you could think of. So if you pay for things like car insurance, home insurance, if you're looking to get a new car, for example, computers, furniture, clothing, electronics, electricity, phone bill, internet, any of those things, then this is very beneficial for you, as you could, of course, help cut back on your expenses. And not only can this put money back into your pocket, but this also allows you to pretty much offset the cost right from the get-go. So as I mentioned, you can join for as little as $20 a month which is like the cost of like a pizza, which if that isn't great enough, you're already going to be offsetting the cost with this particular business just with the savings aspect alone, right? So right off the bat, worst case scenario that'll happen when you decide to, of course, go through this is, let's say that you, for example, decide not to go through the training right away, and let's say that something comes up, which, sometimes that happens, life gets in the way sometimes, and, let's say that you just join and you just sit and do nothing. Well, at the very least, you could use their savings program to save on pretty much all of your monthly bills. So that's really the benefit right off the bat. Now, I want to show some results in terms of the saving potential. So here we have Catherine. My name is Catherine. I've been able to get a better rate on my car insurance, 6 months old versus 12 months with my new policy, saving over $500 per year with the savings portal, as you can see right here, right? So pretty cool right there. And then here we have Daniel Kump. All I could say is, wow, my wife and I scored tickets to the Garth Brooks concert, bucket list for May 21st. When I started looking for local hotel rooms, my jaw hit the floor because all the local hotels price gouging and jacking up the cost of the rooms when a big artist comes to town like Garth. So I jumped in the travel portal and boom, found a hotel in town right around the corner, a fraction of what the cost from the public sites, right? So saved nearly $1,000 on a concert that he went to. So pretty cool stuff. So even if you're someone that is looking to do, just fun things like going to a concert or traveling more, visiting a new hotel, this is also very beneficial to that as well. And so just to give you an idea, another really great benefit with this, I'm just going through the, the amazing benefits of this. But what's also really cool about this, as I mentioned, you can get started for as little as the cost of a pizza, right? Well, another really great benefit is when you refer to 4 members using the exact training that I showed you, as well as, leveraging the other bonuses that I'll go over. When you refer to 4 members, your account is free. You don't have to worry about any more monthly payments, and everything else that you make after that is going to be 100% profit to you. So right off the bat, considering that this is affordable for the average person and has a very lucrative, residual potential, this is something that I feel comfortable recommending to people who are completely brand new, right? Another benefit is, like I mentioned, it's residual income. And what's really great about residual income, programs that pay residually versus other ones that might pay like, $50 one time or $100 or even like higher ticket programs even. What's great about programs like these is you might, let's say, for example, if you're brand new, you might decide to start putting in the work, you start to get some momentum. And then let's say, for example, 3 to 6 months down the road, something comes up and you decide that, okay, you have to take some time off, right? Well, because of the work that you've already put in, then you'll of course continue to get paid for work that you've done a month ago. And, just to give you an idea, I'll even share a little bit about myself here. Back in last April, so I'm filming this in September of this year, last April of this year, I lost a very close family member. One of my closest family members unfortunately passed away. And, I decided because of that, because I wasn't really, all too well at the time, I decided to take, like a week or 2 off. And once I decided to come back, I want to say it was like a week or 2 later, I very unexpectedly got COVID. This is like completely out of nowhere. And I, for the next like 3 months, I just did not feel well at all. Spent pretty much most of that time pretty much laying down in bed. Definitely wasn't in the right frame of mind, was very low on energy. And again, I decided to take a bit more time off of, online, right? So as you could imagine, right, that was quite a, long period of time where I wasn't active online. And the benefit with this, with residual income, is during this time that I wasn't too active, I was still continuing to get paid on a regular basis from work that I'd done several months ago, even a little bit from like over a year ago, that I was still getting paid from during that time, right? So this right here just goes to show the benefit of a program like this, getting started with something that pays you residual income. And I showed you the results right here, and I showed you the benefits of this exact business right here. But what I want to do is I want to show you some really cool bonuses that I'll have for you when you decide to get started today, right? So when you get started via the link down below, so when you go to this page right here and you watch this video and you of course decide to get started, I have some really cool bonuses that will of course help you maximize your results and of course help you get the ball rolling a lot quicker. and much more efficiently. And the first bonus that you'll get is you're going to be able to replicate my exact funnel that I'm using. So you get to copy my exact capture page, same headline, same image, same everything. You get to replicate pretty much everything that I'm using right here, the capture page, the sales video. This video does a really great job at converting your leads into buyers. And also, if that wasn't good enough, you also have the email follow-up that is completely done for you, right? So if you're someone who is completely brand new, and if you're not good when it comes to, if you're someone who hates selling, this funnel right here pretty much takes care of all the selling for you. The only thing that you really have to do here to, of course, get results is get people on this page, on your own link that you'll be given, get people to opt in, and let the system do the rest of the selling for you. You don't have to worry about explaining things. You don't have to worry about recording your own video or writing your own emails. This right here takes care of all that for you. And I show you exactly how to market your page links via this training series right here, as well as another bonus that you'll get, which is the exclusive team members training right here. So one really cool benefit to joining our team down the link, via the first link down below, is you also get access to this exclusive team members training site. Here's a welcome video from me, and the other members in here. And you get to learn from multiple different 6- and 7-figure earners that are getting great results with this exact program. And we show you multiple ways on how to, of course, market your links, right? So methods like Facebook, YouTube, Craigslist, automated traffic right here. We pretty much show you all of that right there. So all of that, when you have, just with all of this right here alone, you have everything that you need to, of course, get success with this exact program. And if that wasn't enough, you also have access to an exclusive Facebook group with private team training calls. This is done via Zoom. You can get on a Zoom call with, myself and other, top earners that are getting great results. You could ask us any sort of question that you have. We also show you exactly what's working, as of right now. So as long as you could follow in the footsteps of, what myself and other members in here are using, then you could definitely do very well with this. And the benefit is once you, of course, get the ball rolling, then you could, really start to see the results, the benefit long term. And of course, like I mentioned, residual income, you could work as little as 1 hour per day. And this series right here, and of course, my training shows you pretty much everything that you need to know, everything that you need to do in order to have success. So with that being said, all you have to do to get started is go to the first link down below. It'll take you to this page, enter your email, and then you want to watch this video that explains more about how it all works. Click on this button right here to, of course, get started, and then this will take you over to the page that where you could decide to select a level to, of course, get started with. Now, you can get started as little as the cost of a pizza to your door, so $20 a month for gold. You could go with $100 per month for platinum or $199 per month for titanium. Now, the main difference between gold, platinum, and titanium is the higher level that you come in at is basically more savings benefits and also higher earning potential for the same amount of work. So with that being said, the main way that you want to really look at this is regardless of where you join, the amount of work that you'll put in going through my training series and also following the training of these other members right here is going to be the exact same. So the question you want to ask yourself is, you can join here if you want to for as little as $20 a month, but if you can maximize your earnings for the same amount of work, why not do that? So the question you want to ask yourself is, do you want to get paid more or less for the same amount of work, right? And another great benefit of joining at a higher level is that when you refer just 4 members at whatever level that you come in at, your membership is going to be completely free. So when you think about it, if you can refer just 4 members within your first month, then this could potentially just be a one-time payment versus paying it monthly, right? So if this sounds like a bit of a stretch to you, then think of it like this, right? As long as you follow what I show you in these videos, then you can most likely cover the cost right off the bat, simply just by referring 4 members using exactly what myself and other members show you right here. And to give you an idea, I was able to refer just 4 people within, I want to say my first week of joining this. And because of that, I don't pay the monthly fee anymore. And pretty much everything that I earn with this is pretty much profit to me, right? So with that being said, all you have to do is simply go down below, join at the level that you value yourself at. So try to stretch yourself if you can. Otherwise, start with where you feel comfortable. And all you have to do from here is simply fill out the form. And once you, of course, get started, all you have to do is go to the next video in the series. You want to watch this video which will be the next video in this playlist. And this is going to show you exactly how to get set up, how to get access to all of your bonuses, like the team members training, the funnels, and all that good stuff. And with that being said, I will be here. If you have any questions, then you can simply put them in the comments down below or send me a text via the number on screen. So with that being said, go down below, get started today, and take care. See you on the inside.